Philippines!
Hello mga ka-everything, mga ka-Facebookers. Hello po guys. Good evening. Good afternoon. Good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan. So ngayon guys, samahan nyo na lang ako guys. Ito namang video na ito guys is mag-ano lang naman ako. Maglilinis sa labas. Linisin natin yung sa labas ng bahay. Kasi spring na. And kailangan kong i-trim yung kailangan kong i-trim. Kasi para hindi siya mas pangit tignan kasi guys kapag hindi talaga i-trim yung mga halaman sa labas. Akala ninyo na madali lang yung buhay sa ibang bansa. Kahit may asawa kami dito guys, lalo na kapag housewife ka, sa'yo lahat, or kahit nagtatrabaho ka, sa'yo lahat pag uwi ng bahay. Ako naman, linis sa loob ng bahay, linis sa labas ng bahay. So ito yung realidad guys kapag nakatira ka sa abroad, sa ibang lugar, wala kang mahinga ng tulong. Okay guys, hindi pa ako tapos. Anuhin natin i-balance natin yan sa gilid doon sa kabila para nilagyan ko siya ng ito para hindi masyadong marumi kasi ipipick up ko pa tong mga dead na mga patay na dahon.
Not gonna lie, but I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. We're like everyone else, we have our ups and downs. It is not just one mistake that made you think about what life can be like without me in it. I still thought it'd be you and I until we die. But I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too.
Tapusin ko lang po ito guys. Nakakapagod. Tapusin ko lang to and then babalikan ko kayo. Tignan niyo itong mukha ko.
Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you.
Ito na siya guys, ito yung natira. So may mga tumutubo na siyang buds so kaya ginupitan ko siya ng maayos. Pero may na mga tumutubo naman mahangin dito guys, so linisin ko lang ito siya, ganun. Okay na, I think putulin ko yun. Ito siya, I think putulin ko.
cut that whole tree down?
Which tree?
The one right there. The
That's
little one.
roses.
What?
That's roses.
Yeah, but you cut the whole thing off.
No, there's still buds, oh. Yeah, that's how you do it. Very nice. Almost get out.
Let it blow it.
Huh?
Let it blow it.
Did it lower yourself?
Yeah, you just do it on low. You don't do it too high so it doesn't blow the whole stick.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man. Searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not.
Hi guys, late na ng gabi guys. Ano ng oras? Almost 1 o'clock na. Kararating lang namin guys. Galing nag-dumpster dive. Pero fail po yung dive natin guys. Kasi as in wala masyadong ano. Yun yung kapag walang holiday. Yung parang walang holiday. Wala masyadong bumibili ng gamit. Ang maganda talagang mag-dive is yung before Christmas to Christmas and then ending yung Christmas is yun talaga. As in yung mga gamit, yung mga nakukuha namin before, wala na masyado guys dahil hindi siya, wala ng mga return masyado, ganun. So, yun yung nakukuha namin noon ni Brenda. Wala na, hindi na siya masyado ngayon kasi wala na talagang mga gamit. But anyway guys, nag-ano lang ako kasi kanina doon tayo sa labas, diba? Yun, at saka pama-all din yun, sumakit katawan ko, kaso-kasuan dito, sips ko. Good morning! Good morning. Gising. Gising mga kabayo. Kabayong buntes. Ito guys, the next morning guys, hindi na ako makagalaw. Kasi, grabe yung sakit ng katawan ko. Para akong binugbog. And then itong si Roxy, sabi pa niya, Mama, gising na. Gutom na ako. Late na kasi yan guys. And hindi ako bumangon. And of course, yun, gutom sila. And then yung mister ko, yun. And then sa sala, paano-ano lang ng cellphone. Ganyan yun siya guys. Tinatawag ko siya parang pasit-sit-sit-sit. Busy kasi yan palagi si Roxy, sabi pa, at saka si Dimples. I need food. Hindi kasi ako makagalaw guys. Grabe talaga yung sakit ng katawan ko. Grabe talaga. Yan si Roxy ay gutom na yan. Si Dimples din. I think nasa mga 8 o'clock na ito. Yun si Roxy. Yan sabi pa niya gutom na daw siya. Pasensya na guys sa mga hindi dog lover dyan. Yan ganito ako lambing sa puaso ko. Look. Yan ganyan namin kamahal yung mga alaga namin guys. Ipamaulan ko guys. Paggalaw ko ang sakit ng katawan ko. Aray. Kahit paghawak ng camera ang sakit. Aray. Aray, ginawa ko. Ouch. May nag-fry ako kahapon ng plantain. Kailangan pala siyang guys. Kailangan siyang pahinugin kailangan siyang mahihinog pala bago siya i-fry kasi kapag hindi siya masyadong hinog, pangit pala talaga. So, kailangan siyang maging hinog na hinog talaga. So, yun guys, ang sakit. Kailangan kong kumain para makapag-take ako ng aliw. Kasi dito, yung parang yung pamaol ba ng katawan ko is sobrang sakit kayo. Dito, nafe-feel ko talaga may bukol siya ba. Yung muscle ko nagkabukol. Ang sakit hawakan guys. Grabe. Si Tommy, hilik din. Kasi gumising niya ng 3 o'clock. Nanonood ng TV. Iwan ko sa kanya talaga. Mahilig talaga yan siya guys. Mahilig talaga niya akong iwan kapag umaga. Pag ganun ko ba? Ganun. Oh my God, hindi ako makatayo. Ang sakit. Kasi kahapon ganun ako. Pag ganun ako, naghanap ako kung ano yung ikakat ko sa pag ganun. Yun, dapat ginamit ko yung strength ko ba para. So, yun. Naligo po ako guys. Kahit alam kong hindi ako lalabas ngayon para hindi mabina talaga kasi masakit talaga. Yung mga kasukasuan ko. And itong suot ko pala, ito yung nakuha ko sa basurahan ko guys. Look. Ito siya. Ito yung nakuha ko sa basurahan. And, okay naman siya. Sasakit lang yung tiyan kapag lalabas ka na walang sa pang ilalim. Kaya yun sa akin. Naligo ako and then, sabi ko, it's cold outside, right, honey? Init talaga yung iniligo ko guys na tubig is sobrang init. Kasi po, yun na yung ko gusto kong gawin. Yung mainit na tubig para yung kasukasuan ko. Nakaupo lang ako doon. At alam nyo guys, what happened when I was in the shower? I'm sitting over there enjoying the hot water because my muscle is in pain. And then, I'm singing, Pangako Sa'yo. Serious na ako guys. Seryoso ako guys sa Pangako Sa'yo. And then, gusto ko ng with feelings ba? And then suddenly, I heard, Aw! Aw! Nasa pintuan si Tami na para siyang wolf. Nagwo-wolf siya guys. Hindi nagustuhan yung kanta ko. He doesn't like my singing in the bathroom. Ang ingay ko kasi as in nagkanta-kanta talaga ako. Sobrang siyo. Ha?
You tell people that they believe it because they don't know.
What they don't know what?
You tell them, you don't like my singing in bed.
That was, hello? Nag-react si Tommy guys. He said it's not true daw. No. Doesn't like my singing. Why you like my singing, Han?
Yes, huh?
You're just trying to scare me, right?
I'm just trying to make fun of you.
I know, Han. The people understand. So, yun. Nag-wolf siya. Natawa na lang ako, guys. Natawa na lang. I was laughing because nag-react talaga siya. Gusto talaga daw niya yung kanta ko, Gusto talaga daw niya yung boses ko. Kaloka. Nakalimutan ko, guys, na bumili pala ako ng togi. Yung sprout ba? So, dinipros ko na yung shrimp. Dinipros ko na yung roll ng lumpia roll. Yung pang roll. Para makapagawa na naman tayo ng lumpia. Kasi ang sarap talaga ng lumpia, guys. Yung lumpia seafood. And then, yun. Yun lang yun. I need to get scallop. I don't know where the scallop is, so probably in the basement. Tulog na kami din, oy, kasi ano na, 8:46 na ng hapon. Gabi, hapon, gabi. Matulog na din kami. Anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Gusto ko na matulog din. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you sa susunod na vlog.